Alright, welcome everyone. I'm going to call this the Battle of Yavin pack. Got the Imperial Death Squad Commander, Stormtrooper, TIE Fighter Pilot, and Luke Skywalker X-Wing Pilot. I vaguely remember buying the Stormtrooper when I was a kid. I don't know if this is discoloration or dirt. A little bit of both, I think. Give them a good wipe down. Yeah, that's helping some. Yeah. Because I was just learning to read whenever I got this one, and the 001 on the back of it confused me to no end because I didn't understand that it was just a design and not really a number. Find out how much of this is dirt and how much of this is wear and tear and discoloration soon enough. Yeah, I say it's cleaning up better than I thought it would, to be honest. Alright, a little more down here on his leg. Yeah, I definitely have to do some research on finding a good mild cleaner to use on these things, because I feel like some of this should be coming off that isn't. And that one, probably won't be able to focus on it and get it to show on camera, but the copyright and it's printed there. It's at Hong Kong, 1977. I hadn't noticed that on any of my other figures. But, let's say we got him reasonably clean. So with this guy, I remember having him, but I don't remember buying him. I think. I guess it's sort of wiped down some. These are. Honestly, I don't understand how they got this dirty, because they've literally been sitting in the Darth Vader case. I probably should put that on here. For 30 years now, most of them. That's where I've found most all of these figures, is actually still in the carrying case. Do they still make carrying cases for kids' toys? I sort of just had a thought. That thought ran through my head. Okay. And this guy, I always thought this was the coolest looking figure. Had the oxygen mask and the stormtrooper with attitude. I don't know, a little more decorative. Oh, yeah, this one. I'll have to see how he dries, but it seems to be cleaning up better than the others. Side view. Alright. That's okay. And Luke has got a similar situation as Greedo had the other day, as his head is sort of wanting to be crooked. So I got to be real gentle with that. I did not have the X-Wing when I was a kid, but my brother did. I had Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. It's long since gone. I ended up breaking, well, not breaking, the wings came off in explosion damage, and it was perfect to make shields out of for when I bought a little plastic sword. Just put a strap. It seems like duct tape around it, and I could slide my arm in. I do remember that. Okay. Keep your head down, Luke. Alright, yeah, I say they did clean up reasonably well. The Stormtrooper still looks a little dingy, but I think with the white, that's going to be virtually impossible to get shiny. I liked all these figures. Had many hours of playtime with all of them. You know, that's. I don't think I got his back. Looks like a little bit of dirt left there in the middle. All right, but he does have the logo, the Hong Kong. He doesn't have the year on it though. You know, there's his back. I think I showed that one. And back of the TIE Pilot, he's got it stamped in there. That was an 82, it looks like. The specs on, see. Yeah, this one's copyright 1982. I don't know if I can get it to show or not. Let's try. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. And Luke probably another 77 feet. Yeah, it's on the calf here. Actually, I think it says 75. Yep, it does. Maybe that may be an 8. Sure looks like a 5 here. But it could be an 8 would make more sense. I'm sure they copyrighted them before they produced them, but still. Alright. But, like I say, that's going to be my Battle of Yavin pack. I hope the Star Wars stuff goes over well, because I've got quite a few of the figures. Seems like most of mine came from Empire, though. Some returned, but Empire I've got a lot of Empire figures. But thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I've got so many toys to go through. And I got a really cool ship coming up. And the hint I gave up earlier, if you know where this one came from, you know what the ship is going to be. Alright. See you next time.